Here we are. Market just opened. We've been having some crazy accumulation, so I'm kind of hoping we just come up into this 4-hour gap. We sweep, and we have London high, Asian high, or an hourly high, and then we come down. And let my dog out. All right. We've already swept London high. Let me get ES opened up on this tab. All right. Yeah, I was kind of hoping to just see some, manipulation or accumulation, manipulation, and distribute down. I mean, really, I'd probably just target this data low. This was, what do we have? I don't know. It was news. PPI. There's PPI right here. So, I don't know, maybe we come up into here a little more. You'll see. We have, sorry. We have London lows along with a 5-minute gap here, and then just another hourly low. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, this is what we're working with, so see you when we get it going. Alright, so right now, if we close below this low, we're definitely entering short because we have an SMT off of ES right now. They already crossed above this high. So hopefully we can just close like right up in here. Set my stop not too far. And we can target just this data low here. We'll see. If we get a weak candle closure actually after we've wicked, I don't think we'll enter. Yeah, I'm not entering off that. I don't want to see a little stronger down, just not a wick down. I feel like so many times I've entered we had a candle closure below where I wanted or above where I wanted, but we had a huge wick also, and it just did not work out. We still have our SMT, so Yeah, I mean, if we just get a stronger candle close down, then we'll enter, but I don't mind waiting. We're still, I mean, we manipulated up to here, but we're still just kind of accumulating now. Another SMT. Now we went above these highs, and ES is below them. So, I mean, yeah, hey, good thing I didn't go in, right? It's a fucking, that would have been an L 9 minutes into the session. Might as well wait for some better structure to form. Alright, yeah. So no more SMT now. We're all normal. We're aligned. So yeah, just wait for something else. That's too much. We're to look at this. We have a 15-minute gap here. We have 4 hours, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I would like to see us. If we came up to these, I might want to see a 5-minute inversion of the downside instead of just a 1, just because we all would be pretty bullish on the day, but obviously our overall trend is bearish. But yeah, I don't think we don't have any hourly gaps either. So we had this one, only in this one, but yeah, we'll see. We can let it develop. We're not in a hurry. So yeah, be back with you guys in a sec. All right. Yeah. If we close below this, okay, well, not on a wick like that, but if we get a good wick down, then we'll enter some shorts here. I like it. So yeah, see what we can get here in about 20 seconds.
Order filled.
Here we go. We can just target this low right here. Put our stop. Oh my god. Just put it like right there. Got a nice little 2.4 RR.
Order filled.
We take 300 though. Obviously, if I was on an Express account, I'm not doing that. But when I'm just trying to pass a funded, bro, just take your dubs. It's already in the green. There's no reason to even let it come back up on you. Like, just take your dub and move on. We'll keep trading just because, a lot of time in the market still, but there's our first dub of the day. First dub of the day. If we want, we can try and get like a continuation somewhere. If we end up with a good 5-minute gap off of this, well, obviously I could have let this ride out a little longer, but it's all right. That's all right. I would have just brought us down to here. Yeah. I mean, I would have pulled it down to here once we made this candle too. So just a difference of $100. So I'm not that upset about it. And if we would have pulled break even, we would have got stopped out with nothing. Which I know most people, after you get this far on it, like a 2.4, you're going break even, right? You would have just got stopped out. But instead we get 300. Technically 900. 3 accounts, so definitely take it. Definitely take it. Whoops. And I like that I cut that one off. Obviously, hindsight, that it came back up to break even, but still just kind of accumulating here, which I didn't even think about before. But yeah, accumulation still, so I'm not mad about cutting that off in the green. All right, well, we got one dub already today, so I'm gonna be right back because I gotta take a shit. All right, so this is what would have been if I didn't cut it off early. Obviously, if I had more room to work, I'd bring my stop loss up to a swing high. And I'd target lower just for RR purposes. And we would have hit, right? But when we only have 1,200 room, and it was less before that was 900. If we get stopped on this trade, it's over. There's no reason for that. Right? Where did I have it? Like here or something? So yeah. Small dubs. Small dubs. I can build up to, having enough room to where I can have my stop loss be that high. But until then, just keep getting the small ones. I'm not in a rush. I have to keep telling myself I'm not in a rush to pass the account. I mean, I'm really not, but that way I'm not forcing any big trades. I feel like the last couple I've just been going for these big long shots, and I get in profit like $500 or $600, and I have it like a $1,400 TP, and it just obviously doesn't hit. So yeah, but it happens. Learning process. I think yesterday really helped, saying that I could actually sit here and wait for an hour and a half before entering, even when the price is just so obviously going in one direction, just waiting for my confluences was good. So it's nice to see. Nice to see. I think I didn't enter off this right here. Oh my god. That's called discretion right there. You know how many times I've been stopped out entering off something like this when it has this huge wick? Like, just leave it. Just leave it alone. Because then I got this one. Still a little wick, but it was coming down right as it closed. So, and we had just retraced again, swept this high. So I like that a little more. We can get rid of these. Now we don't really need them. But yeah, we're gonna hang out. I don't really know if we're gonna get anything anytime soon. Still just kind of accumulating. So yeah, be back in a little. All right. I know we have some 5-minute gaps forming now, but it's already been an hour, so I think we're just gonna end it there. We got a dub. So yeah, see you guys on Monday.